Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, or vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.
Thank you very much. We are here at court giving solidarity to our members of the party who were illegally arrested, Honorable Timber and the 78 other champions who had gathered at Honorable Timber's homestead to actually commemorate the Day of the African Child, which is June 16. Solidarity, injury to one is an injury to all. So all the opposition parties, including the civil society, when it comes to the issue of solidarity, we must give solidarity together because we are fighting the same cause. So it's important for all the forces to actually come together, all the opposition parties, to condemn the acts of the police, just arresting people for no apparent reason. So I just want to say that as Zimbabwean citizens, it's proper to give solidarity where...
Greetings Zimbabwe, my name is Darlington Chigwena. I am the head of Communications and Information Department of the National Democratic Working Group. We are here at the Harare Magistrate Court witnessing the court of the people whom we believe that they were unjustly arrested on Africa Day. So we are totally perplexed about the continuation of their incarceration in prison. Why? Because we are notifying that it is a justice which is being delayed, and a justice which is being delayed is injustice indeed. So today their case was postponed to tomorrow at 11:15 because today there was an absence of another investigating officer. So we are seeing a disorder, a havoc, a pandemonium in how the state is handling this issue. We know very much that they extended this matter for the sake of punishing people, for the sake of frustrating and devastating the innocent people who were just celebrating the Africa Day, who were just remembering the Africa Day which happened in South Africa in the year 1976. So we totally demand for the release of those people whom we believe that they are innocent. Thank you.